What's going on, guys? We're riding the 95 Honda Magna today, and if you ever question anything I say on this channel, don't let it be that this bike runs like a champ. The engine is so quiet. Like, if there wasn't any rumble coming from the tailpipes, you wouldn't even know this bike was running. So here we go, guys. I'm thinking about selling this motorcycle. I don't know if I put that video up or not yet as of filming this. I feel like such a hipster. I got my shorts on. I shouldn't be riding this in shorts, but hey, what are you gonna do? So I got her warmed up now, get my gloves on, and we're gonna head on the road. Head on down the road. Alright, fueled up, and I thought my tires might be a little low. They're not. So well, let's get out of here. Now I gotta go a different way. Long way around. Alright. So, as I was saying, I'm thinking about selling this bike. I kind of love it. But to be honest, I bought it to tear out the carburetors and use some of the pipes and everything. But all it really needs is ridden. And it could use some new tires. It could be rejetted because the Jardine straight drag pipes, there's a little bit of a lull around 5,000 or 6,000 RPMs. But other than that, she runs great and she sounds great. I don't have a heart to take her apart. So I'm assuming somebody else would love her just the way she is. And because I always buy bikes to fix and repair and ride and resell, I don't really have anything to do with this. Anything to do to it. It's 14,910 miles, which will go up because I'm not going to stop riding it until I do sell it. But if you're looking for something like this, everything's working. I had to do a little bit of electrical rewiring to make certain things like the brake light work, and put a new left rear turn signal in because bulb. And then I thought the wiring might have been a problem, but I haven't been able to recreate the situation that it was not blinking, so I'll see if it does it while I ride, but somehow I fixed it, I guess. But this is the first definite warmer weather that's sticking around that I'm going to get to ride quite a bit. So I'm loving that. Yeah, everything works really well on this thing. Clutch could be adjusted just a hair. It's a little bit loose, but that could probably be tightened. It's not that bad, actually. Another reason I wouldn't mind selling this is because it has the Corbin gunfighter seat on it, I think they call it, and whoever put it on decided that, I don't know if it didn't fit with the rear fender. It has an aftermarket fender on too, so maybe the rear fender didn't fit, but they took out the support underneath the rear fender, so I wouldn't want to take a passenger on this bike. Plus, it's not all that comfortable. I don't know if as a passenger I would feel very safe. kind of rounds over and doesn't really give you a lot of stability, I would think. But it gives the driver tons of stability. It's like I'm against a brick wall. It's pretty awesome. Alright, I'm going to bring you back once I get past all this traffic. Alright, got to a back road now. Yeah, I think this clutch got looser. I don't know. I'll have to make sure that gets adjusted. So, anyway. The only gripe that I have, and this is not a gripe on this bike, and that is that Honda only used a 5-speed transmission on all of the 3rd gen Honda Magnas. I don't know why they did that. Since I'm used to 6-speed transmissions or 5-speed with overdrive, I am always looking for that 6th gear. And maybe you guys don't have that problem. If you're used to 5-speed motorcycles, it's probably not an issue. But that is definitely an issue for me. Ah, cows. Cows smell delightful. But you can ride this bike all day long, under 5,000 RPMs, under 6,000 RPMs. And you may never even notice that it has a problem where it falters because of the straight pipes. You may not need to rejet this bike if you don't ride it above those RPMs. Every bike that I have, every Honda Magna 3rd gen that I have that has altered pipes, whether it's factory without baffles or Jardine pipes or Vance and Hines, not a single one of them has been rejetted to actually make use of the extra power and the extra airflow. Nope, they all have that issue where they falter. Even my 82 Honda Magna V45, the 750, that has a 4-to-1 straight pipe. That's not rejetted. I have not been into that car, but I know it's not rejetted to handle the extra airflow. Still rideable, not a big deal. But if you really want the performance out of the bike, I'm sure you got a lot of better performance in the low end, and you'd probably take care of that dead spot. So anyway, just a nice ride through the countryside today. It's about 80 degrees, I believe. And yeah, I thought we'd get out and talk about this custom Magna. Hopefully I'm not boring you. I can't go any faster. This is ooh, I smell campfire. Takes me back to my days at the campsite. So this car is just doing 5 under the speed limit. Oh, I knew about that bump. But I'm in 5th gear right now. I could take off in any gear, really. Sorry guys for this boring ride. I'll come back when we get some momentum. I guess this guy's keeping me alive and out of trouble today. I still can't shake him. He's probably going the same place I am. You know how like you get behind somebody that's going way below the speed limit? Oh yes, he's not. But then they like turn off one road before you get to your destination. Oh, anyway, this downshifter. Alright. There's your dead spot right there. See, that's all it is. Once you get past that, it's not a big deal. All right, now we get to move. So yeah, this is not a bike I would have designed for myself. I would not have built this. I am a painter, but I would not have painted this beautiful tank. It really is. And the inside's nice and clean. No rust issues. Ah, I'm in 5th gear already. That's why she wouldn't climb more. I was in the top gears. So anyway, like, I don't love these bars, but they fit the bike. I would have never put them on for myself, but hey, they're a little tall for me. And I feel like you lose some handling when you go this high. I'm sure with those big ape hangers, even higher than this, you do lose handling. I think there's a bug on my mouth. So these are just my complaints for myself. Do I love riding it? Actually, yes. She's pretty awesome. I love the sounds. Whoops, I shouldn't have downshifted like that. You can tell the transmission's great. The engine runs super awesome and smooth. Like I said, I would just go in the carbs, clean them up when you're in there. I don't notice any dirty problems, but I would rejet them. Stick in the road. Oh. If you don't heavily push the accelerator through that area, you can get past it and use more of the power. These guys are pushing. Now, you guys are going to tell me in the comments, I haven't looked at specs for a while. I think the horsepower on these is around 80. Give me proper specs, guys. I know you're watching. What is it, 82? All I know is it's faster than a V-twin. This is a V4 Honda Magna. 4 cylinders, guys. 4 separate pipes going out the back. You got all the power running through this thing. So personally, I would use this as a single rider bike. There's a lot of you out there that only ride single. You're not out trying to pick up a girl or taking out your girlfriend, so it's perfect for you. You can impress them. Tell them to meet them. You'll meet them later. I might do an oil change on this before, well, if I keep her, I'll definitely do some fluid changes. Maybe I'll do an oil change for the new owner if they request it. But for now, probably offer her up for sale. If she doesn't sell, I'm keeping her. No questions there. Probably just under 3 grand. Probably start at 29. So if there's any guys out there looking for a bike like this, don't hesitate to contact me. You can tell she's running good, all but that jetting issue. And like I said, you don't ride her like I do, or harder, you're not even gonna notice. Who knows? I might just keep her. You guys know you're gonna have to come with a strong offer. So anyway, that's probably it for the video. I'll keep you around for a few more minutes, let you see the rest of my ride, but I'm just going to be quiet and enjoy the ride.